Windstop Draught and cold is a frequently mentioned problem at entrances and exits of shops and other buildings. Windstop Draught screens make cold and drafts a thing of the past. A cold draft can disrupt the comfort of a pleasantly heated workplace. Raising the temperature of the area or room does not solve the problem or improve comfort, and is certainly not energy efficient. Installing a Windstop Draught screen at the entrance and exit stops cold and drafts. The Windstop Draught solutions are available in 2 standard versions. The draft screens are transparent so that you can look through them. This means that a view of the entrance or exit is not obstructed. The screen covers are easy to change and can be optimally designed to reflect your own style or corporate identity. An ideal solution for shops whose checkouts is near an entrance or exit, a hotel reception, or the reception desk at an office, school, or municipal building. Our Windstop products are designed and manufactured in the Netherlands. Windstop, block and stop the wind.